Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Here I have a kit. Sorry, the sun's going to be working against me right here in this spot, but I have a kit that I put together using various pieces from the Grimworkshop. Cards. So, the little leather case here is from Grimworkshop, and it's made to carry their cards. This is the newest addition that I added to it. It's their Firefly. So it's a blade that's sharp. This is made out of a high carbon treated steel that has a ferro rod inside the handle there. This glows in the dark. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, there's old Kelso's card. And I took this card, and on the back of them, they all have an adhesive on the back. So I can, I'll show you with this one. I like being able to take them apart though. So if I peel the white off, this will stick to something. If I peel this out, it will stick back to the black. So this sticks back to where it came from, and I can stick this whole thing to something. And that's what I've done, is I've taken one of these line cards and stuck the signature card to the back of the line card, and then I used two-sided tape and attached a piece of emery cloth also to the line card. So essentially I have cordage to put some of this stuff together, as well as the way the laser works, it can't put a sharp edge on this, so this blade has to be sharpened in order for it to cut. They've reduced it a good bit, but it doesn't have an edge on it. You have to put one on there. So I've given myself a way to sharpen my knife and put things together with just this one card here. But I have that. I have a couple extra line cards. So I have a total of 3 line cards in this, because if you're going to use this stuff, you have to be able to put it together. I have a tinder card. So this is a fire starter. I have a Fresnel lens, so I can use magnification to start a fire. I have a glow-in-the-dark card, so I can charge this up, and it actually glows pretty good. I have a points card, so this is just either dart points, spear points, arrow points, whatever you want to call it. I have a full card of those, as well as the surf and turf gig parts here, and these go together. These two here will slide onto each other, and it'll make a pronged point, as well as giving you 2 more gigs on there. And I put this stuff together, so like if I have these two, I'll put my glow-in-the-dark piece behind it, and then I'll put one of these, and I may put like my tinder behind the plastic card. And I put these together so the stainless or the metal parts aren't rubbing on my Fresnel lens or my glow-in-the-dark piece, or it's not affecting my putting scratches all in the Fresnel lens. But this is just for goofing around. I mean, I wouldn't take this as just a survival kit, but to practice and play around with, I definitely would take this, because this has how many items is in this right here, so to speak. So I have a knife and a ferro rod. It's 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. A possible 33 tools in this. And I know I counted the string, but you would use that too. I guess, I don't know if I counted that correctly. I didn't count the sandpaper, I don't think. Or the other line card. But there's tons of options on stuff to create and practice skills with. Arrows, the fishing comb works really good if you're catching aquatic foodstuffs. I need to do a video on just those. It's more of a love than a violence kind of weapon. It's for catching frogs, and of course you can pick dandelion heads and all kind of stuff with it. It's useful once you figure out how to work it and not just swing it like a golf club. But pretty cool. They make some really useful stuff. This is the same company that makes the micro cordage tool. But if you're looking for a way to practice skills that's a little out of the ordinary, these cards are a good way of doing so. There's a million different cards like this. These are some of my favorite ones. I like the micro plastic bottle cordage maker. I like the little hand line. It's a dog tag hand line. Their sewing dog tag is probably my favorite. Like, I think that is awesome. It comes with some buttons and a thread wrap and some needles. It's very ingenious. But this all goes in a little kit like this. And like I said, if you're just looking for something to do, want to practice some skills, you can take and toss this in and go and make you, of course, know your local laws and stuff. If you go trying to spear fish in the state of Georgia, you have to be completely submerged or you can get in trouble with DNR. But you can make things and practice with them. You can catch fish with this stuff. It's something you can do, but there's lots of options. Lots of fun to be had with a kit this small. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, appreciate the support. I just wanted to share. There was a bunch of questions about the Grim stuff when I posted it up the other day. I didn't really have the answer to, but I wanted to share some of the ones that I like. Anyway, kit wise, check out all of our older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Like and subscribe, follow along. Appreciate the support. Later.